Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. And today I'm gonna start off by taking a quick tour around ShopRite as well as shopping for electronics. You all know I just moved into a new apartment, so come along with me as I go electronics shopping for my new apartment.
If spring is the season that wakes me alive, then fall is the season to contemplate life. Oh,
Mama furniture go cost, so they don't get it. Oh, but let's go and check, sir.
Not check furniture for you.
Let's go and see. What's like the least set of chairs you have? The least in terms of price. Which one? Looks like this. This one is how much? 80. What of this? What of this table? Tell me, you want to tell me the table or the sets? It's for rich people. This one 300. What of those chairs there? That one.
Office chair. Abi?
Yeah.
Is it
Yeah, the dining chair. 25. Yeah. Let's start from here.
For where this one is just, I think it's for phone mostly. Okay,
See,
they sell small
see,
electronics inside too.
see me there, CLG.
That will come back like this now. Where
Go find where go park.
to come to this place, I mean,
Yes.
you won't join me.
Even G&D. So we go just weigh our option, price and. Woo! They have it here. Hi, good afternoon. Yes, we going to check generators. So let me tell you what we need before. We need one that can carry at least one AC, one a big fridge, and maybe water heater.
what time?
It doesn't work.
Let's let me what I that. Let's go for that. Your AC. How much power?
1.5.
That's all.
I'm saying at least one AC.
So we need that.
TV, no, basic
Because
fridge, TV, and freezer. Yes, iSense long one.
freezer and freezer.
Yeah, that's like basic thing. TVs are basic.
Go for anything above 5.
5 kV,
Yes.
kV. So how much are they?
Let's go like this. This is where the price starts.
Oh yeah,
They give you the brand. About brand is every car.
this is Royal generators.
Yeah.
Okay, Royal said they are doing one pro. You know which year? Yes.
Your store is doing
How many kV is this? Hey, see the prices. Jesus Christ. So this one is what? This is 5 kV. What you told me, Joe? This one is too much. No. Fridge is a fair run, I like it. Tó bá ti ju owó wa lọ, má ṣí.
Well, comprise it.
Àbí senior woman. I don comot that independent like that. You no pay o. You no pay. I no fit lie you.
So stand this way. Let me.
Ṣó ní ṣebí free wall bracket máa bá wa? Kò bá wá. Wall bracket kò bá wá. Flip tó kù ní.
So remote àti post battery pẹ̀lú screen for stand ẹ̀ kálẹ̀ decide láti stand ẹ̀.
Village to use na this kind thing.
Ṣé o pé ti pálára fọ́tẹ̀ látàárọ̀?
And they test the washing machine, everything. So I even like it. If say I get money, I suppose give you money. Now screen touch. Hey guys, so yesterday was a very long day, but we were eventually able to get the TV, the washing machine, the gas cooker, and what else? and the generator. I was also supposed to buy a generator yesterday, but for some reason we've not had lights for 2 days now. So we had to buy a generator and it was so freaking expensive. And with my fridge, we couldn't come with the fridge yesterday because when they were packing, apparently, or when they were trying to load it inside the car, I realized that some part of the fridge were dented, so I requested for a new one, and they said they don't have any other one in stock. That it will be delivered to me on Saturday. Today's Friday, so tomorrow it should be delivered. I also got an iron, and apparently I forgot it, or they didn't pack it because I didn't even see the iron with my two eyes. So I left them a message last night. So hopefully they are able to like see it in their office and then have it delivered to me tomorrow alongside with my fridge. So let me quickly show you guys like the TV and everything. The TV, we got this iSense Smart A4 series in 43 inches. Okay, and that's because this space is actually really small. It's small because when we open this door right here, let me show you what I'm trying to. If this door is being opened, can you see that the rest of the space is literally very small? So I don't want a situation whereby this door would be eating the console or the TV or whatever is there, which is why I opted for this 43 inches. It would have made sense here, but the structure looked really weird. I would have tried this angle, but my mom was like, nah, you don't put a TV by the window. Okay, so that is it for the TV. And for the gas cooker, this is the gas cooker we got. It's the Maxi, no Maxi, Brom. I actually really like this one because it is all black. So in my next vlog, when I'm trying to like unbox, I'm going to show you everything and what it actually looks like. We got this 5 kVA generator, and this is also Brom. We bought this one when I was going. I didn't have any particular brand in mind, but we bought this one because it looks a little like it looks better than others, and this is not cheap, guys. This is not cheap. Okay, so I got this one from 5 kVA, and this will be able to power at least one AC and the refrigerator. So lastly, I'm going to show you the washing machine. This is the back of the washing machine. They just unboxed and put it here. So this is the washing machine right here. It's the iSense top loader 10.5 kg. I was actually scared that it won't fit in this bedroom. Okay, but it's eventually sitting right. So later on we would just probably shift it over there, and at least someone here would be able to conveniently use the toilet. So this makes sense. Everything is eventually coming together. So yeah, that's all we got yesterday, and just some groceries.
Bailando mi diamante, hasta mami con el Gucci, baby, siempre me dudaste y ahora ya no.
We're having a quick eba and okra for brunch because this is neither breakfast nor lunch. So just in between. It's not like we're eating today, sha. No draw. Alright, so the electrician was able to fix this stuff. We used this is like a changeover between generator and light, and this is an indicator, so we know whenever there's light. And this wood stuff is actually really funny. I don't like it, but apparently the way they wired this house is crazy, and it took us a whole lot of time to figure out where this is going to be. So for now, not even for now, for as long as we stay here, this is how it's gonna be. It's not aesthetically pleasing, okay, but there's really nothing we can do. Maybe I'll get like a marble wallpaper and attach it later on, but for now this is what we have. He also did this where we can like conveniently plug our fridge. Okay, as at the time I'm filming this particular clip after my fridge has arrived, okay? So but my fridge didn't arrive until about maybe like 2 weeks later. The details of that is in another vlog. So this switch right here is just like he brought it from up and then it came down, and this is a switch, a socket, and that's a fridge regulator, and this is the fridge, but I'm not going to show you now. Okay, so another thing he did was to run this socket for washing machine. He also brought it from like the ceiling, right? But because this is tiles, this couldn't clip in properly, so that's why we have it like this, which I don't think is really bad, because for a fact I don't think there's anyone that's going to be using this bedroom for now. And the washing machine is literally dirty. It took me like at least 2 days to figure out this washing machine. You get, it's still dirty. We've not even had time to clean properly. But yeah, that's another thing the electrician did with the whole wire we got, in case you're wondering. Lastly, how should I say it, this socket was there before, right? So, and I mentioned that I want to put my microwave here. It was able to attach an extra socket right in there. Okay, that way I don't have to be bringing the microwave out every time I want to use it. All we have to do is turn it on, turn it off. Okay, and then it also removed this drawer. So I'm gonna end the vlog here and see you in my next one. Bye.
¿Cuánto tiempo tengo sin verte? En verdad no quiero creerte. Cuando te fuiste quedó en